Alright, so in this video, I'll show you a quick and easy simple tutorial to fix your Cash App account getting suspended or closed down by Cash App. So what you want to do first is make sure you have the latest version of Cash App, so that way it'll allow you to refresh everything. So once you're here, once you have updated everything, go to your profile. Once you're at the profile, scroll all the way down. Scroll all the way down to see personal information. Now, what you want to do is just enter your personal information, because that way Cash App won't detect you as fraud or a robot. So once you have your identity verified, you want to put your legal name and your address. Once you have all your personal information in, now go to security. Once you're here, make sure you use a Cash App PIN. Once you have your Cash App PIN set to the PIN you want, all you have to do is just go back to the App Store and update your Cash App. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and like.